Do you know, the world's oceans are being used as a dumping field? Every year, a lot of plastic trash is being carried by the currents of the oceans and winds, forming patches in the oceans. The biggest patch is Great Pacific Garbage Patch, formed in the North Pacific Ocean between Hawaii and California. The GPGP covers an estimated area 3 times size of France. Around 80% of the debris originates from human activities in North America and Asia. The remaining 20% of garbage originates from ships that dump trash into the water. The vast majority of this debris originates from plastic bags, water bottles, styrofoam cups and fishing nets. This trash can be very unsafe to marine life. Fishing nets represent half of the mass in the GPGP, and they can be harmful for creatures who swim or crash into them and can't separate themselves from the net. Interaction with these disposed nets regularly brings about the death of marine life. That plastic debris traps animals, or is eaten by them. Animals mistake the plastic for food, causing malnutrition. When plastic enters the marine food web, there is a likelihood that it will enter the human food chain as well. Since the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is so distant from any nation's coastline, no country will take responsibility or provide the funding to clean it up. The patch is large to such an extent that environmentalists approached the United Nations to proclaim the Great Pacific Garbage Patch a nation called the Trash Isles, so as to oblige different nations to clean it up under the UN's Environmental Charter. The awareness campaign even has its own passport and currency, called debris. So, we are also indirectly responsible for ocean patches. What we be able to do? Lessen your use of single-use plastics. Reuse properly. Keep away from products containing microbads. Microbads are found in cosmetics, toothpaste. May look harmless, but their small size permits them to sneak past water treatment plants. They look simply like food to some marine creatures. Purchase in bulk. Select the bigger container instead of buying several smaller ones. Take part in a beach cleanup in your area. Support organizations addressing plastic pollution. Quit purchasing water. Carry a reusable bottle in your bag. Every year, billions of plastic bottles are thrown in the waste. Save beautiful Earth for our future generations.